Hey everyone, I'm just getting ready to mount the engine onto the MadAss, and then quickly discovered the MadAss engine was mounted with M10 bolts. Sadly, this engine mounts with, I think, originally M8, but they measure at 9 mil. So I guess I'm going shopping for new bolts. So since I'm at a standstill there, I guess I'm going to I'll remount the battery box, throw the CDI box back on since I can do that without running around searching for stuff. Ooh, and I got a new regulator.
Made up.
Sweet.
You have to scream regulator then.
Regulator!
Only our age group will understand that.
Alright, so I guess I'm throwing the battery box back on. Oh, look, I bought new M10s that were supposed to hold it together. One epic fail because I missed one step measuring. Oh well. Let's put some other stuff together. Keep it moving forward. Everything forward.
Show me that piece.
Hopefully,
What is this for?
this is a regulator. This takes the electricity coming from the engine and bumps it down to just over 12 volts so you don't boil the battery or blow light bulbs. Hopefully it'll work. It shouldn't be much of a problem. This is all a test.
So where does that go?
That bolts to the bottom of the battery box. I can find a good enough screw hidden away.
Oh, do you want these screws?
Ooh, yes. Thank you. Oh well, let's start. Screw the battery box onto the bike. Since one of the screws was stripped out, I'll put some pretty new stainless ones on it. Keep these for spares. Always room for spares. Oh, I suppose I gotta take the brake arm off it too.
Where's the brake arm?
Yeah, this one here. Hopefully.
What's a brake arm? Is that a stupid question?
Not a stupid question. There's no stupid questions. Only stupid answers. That's the foot pedal for the rear brake.
Oh. I don't think I've ever seen it without the other stuff attached.
Yeah, it looks out of place when there's nothing there. That's to turn all the go into whoa. Whoa. Stop, I say, stop. I said whoa. Okay. Here's all them. Them are gone. I need all the washers. And 4 of them.
Do you want me to hold the screws?
Oh no, I got them. Okay. I don't remember how this was. Uh-huh. I guarantee I'll probably have to take this further apart when I rewire it.
Yeah, I'm sure.
How's it go? Never time to do it right. Always time to do it twice.
Let me know if you need me to hold anything.
Yeah. I'll just stuff all the wiring back through here where it was. Ooh, that's pretty.
I like the color.
Nice little pop. Come on. There we go. All right. Is anybody else working on anything good? I know at least one person that is.
Working on.
Oh, working on a motorcycle. Or a little motorcycle. Whatever you would count this as. I don't know if it's a scooter, motorcycle. I guess it's not a scooter, it has gears.
Oh, is that the difference?
Scooters, well, some scooters have gears. For the most part, they don't. Unless you got a cool Italian one. They have gears. There's too much red on this bike. Does it look like a Ducati?
Oh, you should have painted the jacks teal.
There's still time. They are looking kind of crusty. They are older than the dawn of time.
The jacks?
The jack stands, I think I got them when I got my first car at 19.
Oh my god.
What? You don't gotta get rid of stuff because it's old. If it still works.
True.
You don't gotta go changing stuff just for the sake of changing stuff. Unless it's headlights. Some people would understand that. Alright. Guess I'll put this back on for now. Just so it's up out of the way.
So the battery sits in this?
Yes. The battery sits in this. Pass me that box right there.
This?
This here is the... This is the CDI box, and that just clips onto here. I said it just slips onto here. Meanwhile, back at the ranch. Okay. Is this gonna go on the fail reel? Okay. Gimme. I didn't think I bent it. Take this. I'm trying to turn over a new leaf and not curse. It's not working.
That might add a long time to the video process. Cutting or cursing.
Dang it. Alright, it pulled off of there. Well, I want to go back in. Alright, I guess I gotta bend this a bit.
What are you bending?
Where this here? This is supposed to go in here, and I do not remember it being a pain to get off. Not as much of a pain as it's... Unless... No, it can't be that simple. I think this might have been here.
Well, I say just leave that whole
That-
fail section right in the video.
That's
Whatever.
staying there for now. Okay, I gotta look this back up. I can't remember if that was there or there. Oh well, it's hanging there, and I don't have to cart it around for a bit. And I guess I have to find. That seems kind of low. Maybe I'll put it over on this side, facing this way. At least give it some cool air. Where's... There we go. My old nutty buddy.
On what side?
This is the regulator.
Oh.
That's usually in some cool air because they get quite warm when they're converting, when they're regulating. Oh, man. This would be a lot easier if the back tire wasn't on it.
Do you want me to hold it?
No, I think we're all good. I'm just gonna put one last little turn on it. There we go. We got a regulator put on. Not wired up because I got to search into wiring harnesses because this is a mess and overcomplicated for such a simple rig. Oh, I got a new ignition coil.
Ignition coil?
Ignition coil. Just because.
Okay, show that. And what does it do?
Ooh.
Because I don't know.
This turns fuel into fire.
Oh.
This is the, helps the spark plug spark. Or makes the spark plug spark.
Is this 2 spark plugs?
No, only one on this one.
Okay.
So I got a new one just because the spark plug wire on the other one was brittle. I think I could have broke it. It wouldn't have bent. And now I'll find a place. I'll probably end up just up here since there's a couple of holes.
So that'll have to wait and go on
This,
after
I'll wait to find
after you get bolts for this guy.
After I get bolts. I'm just trying to decide if I should thread that out to 10 mil and then just bolt it straight through.
The new bolts you bought are 10 mil?
Are 10 mil. So do I drill the holes out? Or do I buy 8 mils? Or do I thread the holes and get new bolts and thread them right through? Make it extra strong. I don't know. I guess I got more homework to do. So, I guess.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We'll do it again. Maybe we'll accomplish more than just getting the battery box on. Have a good day.